Looking for an affordable SUV that still offers comfort and quality features? Don't worry, because there are plenty of budget-friendly SUVs you can buy without sacrificing performance and style. In this video, we'll be discussing the 10 cheapest SUVs that offer various advantages, from fuel efficiency and advanced technology to driving comfort, perfect for your daily needs or long trips. Watch this video and find the SUV that fits your budget and needs. Oh, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Volkswagen Taos. VW's newest crossover, the Taos, offers excellent internal capacity and good fuel economy despite its small outward size. It has a 4-cylinder engine with 158 horsepower and front or all-wheel drive. Although its 8-speed automatic transmission is a letdown, the Taos nevertheless delivers a comfortable ride in the majority of driving scenarios. Adults may readily fit in either row of seats, while the rear seat will comfortably fit 2 persons rather than the stated 3. Still, there is plenty of headroom in both rows of the Taos, and the easily accessible latch anchors make it simple to install car seats. The basic display is a compact 6.5-inch touchscreen with features like Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. For those of you who are interested in this car, the Volkswagen Taos is priced at a price range starting from $24,155. Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. Although it is inferior to most competitors, the Outlander Sport has solid warranty support, straightforward technology, and standard all-wheel drive. The SUV's ride quality is quite poor, and its standard engine is noisy and underwhelming. On cracked pavement, the Outlander Sport may get unsteady, and there's always more noise than you'd think. Although Mitsubishi's inside is largely composed of cheap-feeling plastics and harsh plastics, there is still enough capacity for 2 adults to ride comfortably in the back and enough room for adults up front. On the 7-inch screen, Mitsubishi's infotainment system functions effectively and is simple to operate. But most features, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, are reserved for the more expensive upgraded head unit. For those of you who are interested in this car, the Mitsubishi Outlander Sport is priced at a price range starting from $22,995. Mazda CX-30. The CX-30 boasts an elegant cabin and remarkable performance capabilities. The standard engine's 191 horsepower is sufficient for most driving scenarios, and Mazda's 6-speed automatic transmission enhances the SUV's driving experience compared to most competitors' CVTs. For a compact crossover, the CX-30 has surprisingly engaging handling, and all-wheel drive is standard. Excellent interior finishing significantly surpass the cheap base price of the CX-30. The rear seat has a little less room than the front seats, which are roomy and supportive. Although the Mazda's non-touchscreen infotainment system can be challenging to use at first, most users can quickly become familiar with it and pick it up without much difficulty. For those of you who are interested in this car, the Mazda CX-30 is priced at a price range starting from $22,950. Buick Envista. The all-new Buick Envista for 2024 boasts a roomy cabin, good fuel economy, and a reasonable pricing. The SUV doesn't go quickly because to its meager 136 horsepower, but it has a pleasant ride and steady handling. 5 people can sit comfortably on lovely cloth upholstery in the Envista. You can upgrade to leather upholstery and other luxuries like heated front seats and a heated steering wheel by moving up the trim ladder. An 8-inch digital gauge cluster, an 11-inch display, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included as standard features. Although not very visually appealing, the system is simple to operate and does not interfere with driving. For those of you who are interested in this car, the Buick Envista is priced at a price range starting from $22,400. Hyundai Kona. Although the Hyundai Kona's appearance can be divisive and it isn't the most roomy SUV, it nevertheless has a long list of safety features and good performance. Both in town and on the highway, the base engine accelerates the vehicle well. The Kona offers balanced handling and a comfortable ride quality in most circumstances, despite not being particularly athletic. The front of the Kona is roomy and equipped with plenty of padding and supporting buckets. Adults may have trouble finding a comfortable position in the rear due to its limited space and lack of comfort. The technology from Hyundai is simple to use and functions nicely on the usual 8-inch touchscreen. For those of you who are interested in this car, the Hyundai Kona is priced at a price range starting from $22,140. Chevrolet Trailblazer. In 2021, Chevy brought back the Trailblazer moniker for a subcompact crossover. Despite its absence of tough off-road capability, the car makes up for it with a roomy cabin and good fuel economy. The standard 4-cylinder, 137 horsepower engine is okay, but won't speed up any of the everyday pulses. Nonetheless, the handling is pleasant, and the ride is generally smooth. The cabin of the Trailblazer is roomy, especially up front, where adults can ride in comfort with ease. While not as roomy, the rear seat is nonetheless manageable in size and facilitates the installation of car seats. For those of you who are interested in this car, the Chevrolet Trailblazer is priced at a price range starting from $22,100. Nissan Kicks. Although the Kicks engine lacks oomph, it is reasonably priced and achieves excellent fuel economy. The Kicks is as slow as it appears on paper, with a maximum power of just 122 horsepower. The sole available drivetrain is front-wheel drive, but it has the benefit of getting 36 highway mpg. Standard upholstery is cloth, and higher trim levels of Nissan feature synthetic leather. This SUV offers enough room in 2 rows despite its small external dimensions, yet all of the seats could need additional support and cushioning. A 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and 3 USB ports are among the standard amenities. The infotainment system in Nissan cars is user-friendly and functions smoothly on the touchscreen. For those of you who are interested in this car, the Nissan Kicks is priced at a price range starting from $20,440. Chevrolet Trax. For years, there have been rumors that the Trax is going away, but Chevy surprised everyone by revealing a completely rebuilt 2024 model with more technology, a more elegant interior, and startlingly good looks. With its 137 horsepower, it is limited to front-wheel drive only. Although the Trax handles with confidence and has a comfortable ride, it is not powerful enough to pass at highway speeds. There is seating for 5 people in the Trax, and the upholstery is quite excellent for its basic material type. Partial or full synthetic leather and heated front seats are standard on higher grades. On the 8-inch touchscreen, Chevy's user-friendly infotainment software functions flawlessly, and the Trax is equipped with appealing options like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For those of you who are interested in this car, priced at a price range starting from $2,400. Kia Soul. Customers who purchase a Kia Soul enjoy excellent value as well as a roomy interior with a ton of standard equipment. The only available engine is a 4-cylinder with 147 horsepower, which is more than sufficient for most uses. The Soul's boxy design doesn't make it unwieldy in turns because it has confident handling and a generally pleasant ride. Even on prolonged excursions, adults will find the rear seats to be comfortable, and the cabin provides ample of head and legroom in both rows. Higher trim levels of the Kia come with a 10.2-inch display, while the 8-inch touchscreen model comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Although it isn't as ostentatious as some competitors' interfaces, Kia's infotainment system is quick and easy to operate. For those of you who are interested in this car, the Nissan Kicks is priced at a price range starting from $19,890. Hyundai Venue. Young urban professionals are the Venue's target market, and its pricing reflects that posture. Despite its affordable pricing, the SUV has excellent handling and user-friendly technology. Its 121 horsepower engine isn't the greatest in the business because it responds slowly when trying to overtake and merge at high speeds. But it works well in town. The Venue gets good mileage, up to 33 mpg on the highway, and has a respectable ride quality under most driving conditions. This price range's interior finishes are acceptable. Therefore, there are lots of harsh plastics and less expensive materials used throughout. An 8-inch touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is a standard feature of the Venue, and Hyundai's user interface looks great on the snappy screen. For those of you who are interested in this car, the Nissan Kicks is priced at a price range starting from $19,650. Those are the 10 cheapest SUVs that you can buy next year or 2024. What do you think about these 10 cars? Please let us know in the comments column below.